Hi, I'm Manuel and I'm here today to present you Papkot. From plastic packaging to durable, pure paper packaging. Plastic packaging has a lot of drawbacks, upstream and downstream, especially downstream, the end of life. While paper is easy to recycle and it biodegrades eventually like a leaf. In the past decades, it was impossible to make packaging out of pure paper. Because paper is fragile, it's porous, and it gets soggy with any kind of liquid. And here is where Papkot comes in, to offer an unprecedented paper coating technology that once applied to paper will empower paper with barrier and properties as strong as plastic, while keeping it fully recyclable and fully biodegradable. And of course free of plastic and food grade as well. Exactly like pure paper, the coating consists of a flexible thin layer of glass that chemically adheres onto paper cellulose. A couple of weeks ago, a major tobacco company places its first recurring order with Papkot for the delivery of $150,000 worth of Papkot coatings. With that milestone, Papkot has achieved full industrial and technological validation for numerous packaging applications. And now, after a number of tests and trials, Papkot has been recognized by a major CPG company to deliver a commercial viable packaging by the end of 2022. The plastic packaging business is valued over $1,000 billion, and Papkot has the potential to serve this market entirely and extensively thanks to a licensing business model and a plug-and-play solution that requires no additional capex investment from our customers. Papkot coating technology has been filed for patent in 2020, and we are going to file 4 new patents for a variety of packaging application features that will allow Papkot to serve the whole packaging spectrum. We are on track to reach a monthly turnover of $3 million within the next 18 months, avoiding the production of more than 2,000 tons of plastic each month. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in 2025.